Okay, so for chapter 5, we had to do a recording. We had to do a pivot table for that was researching morning flight departures from Tulsa International Airport and using data that we obtained from the flightstats.com website. I had a lot of trouble with this one. I definitely did not get it right. And I really would like to try to figure out what's not working because I've been reading and following and trying to explore it, but I'm still having a lot of trouble. This is what happens when I try to select the pivot table, select the data. And just so, how I have the data is the flight numbers, the departure, the arrival time, the airlines, and the destination for each city. So in trying to put together, follow the instructions and put together a pivot table, I realized that, no matter what I was doing, I was getting, the wrong thing. I could tell. So I went with the recommended pivot tables, and this is what happens. It's kind of a mess. Looking at the values, I tried playing with the figures a little bit and eliminating items and moving some things around to see what would happen. And it just seemed to be kind of futile. I couldn't really figure out a way to make the data work in a way that was suitable. I did make sure, going back to the sheet, I did make sure that the formatting for each of these, for example, I made sure that this was indeed time. What am I looking for here? Making sure I made sure that it is time or set as time. Yeah. Oh, wait, here. Now it says general. Okay. If this is set as time, oh, that's because I included the title. That's not normally the case. Anyhow, I've had a lot of trouble with it. I really could use some help or resources or a link so that I could practice it and try it again. I would love to be able to do that. I did give it a shot, but I did not prove to be successful.